Hey there. Today, I'll walk you through how to add a mail preferences tag in SendGrid, a useful feature for allowing your recipients to manage their email preferences. Log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Marketing. Click on Contacts. Select the list of contacts for which you want to set up email preferences. Next, go to Marketing. Click on Single Sends and choose the email you want to add the preferences linked to. In the email editor, place a link or button that says something like Manage Preferences. This link will point to your SendGrid subscription management page. Now, go to the Advanced Settings in your SendGrid account and ensure that subscription tracking is enabled. This feature will automatically append the unsubscribe link or preferences tag to your emails, allowing recipients to manage their preferences. By adding this tag, you can reduce unsubscribes and ensure that your audience is only getting the emails they want. That's it. Adding mail preference tags is a great way to enhance the user experience. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you found this useful. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.